Fantastic to be here today at the opening of Supply Technologies' new facility in Dundalk, employing 20 new jobs. It's a great endorsement of the local economy here in Lade and our importance on the Dublin-Belfast economic corridor. And it's great to have companies like Supply Technologies in our county.
Our new Dundalk facility allows us to serve our customers with just yet another point of distribution. Our biggest customers are global OEM customers, and so by having a new distribution center in Central Ireland, it really allows us to grow with a growing segment of customers in life sciences and technology, and really allows us to have product closer to our customer.
Supply Technologies helps manufacturers across the region by integrating our solutions into their manufacturing processes in close proximity.
Being centrally positioned in proximity to manufacturers across Ireland, we can ensure that the inventory is held and fed just in time and changing needs are addressed promptly. We started and are developing a competent local Irish team that will implement lean manufacturing principles across an array of industries.
Bringing companies like Supply Technologies encourages other companies similar that are in this field to come to Dundalk as well and to the county of Lade. So anything we can do to attract them with the cooperation of our local enterprise office, with the IDA, we will do.